Becoming a Chipy member comes with a variety of exclusive benefits, such as real money sweepstakes and being part of an active gambling community. The registration process is simple, fast, and most importantly, free. If you are over the age of 18, you can easily open an account on our platform. To begin the sign-up process, click the Join button located in the top right corner of the display. This will open the registration pop-up window where you will need to provide your details, including your desired username, a valid email address, and password. Once you have filled in the required fields, you will need to complete the CAPTCHA challenge to confirm you're not a robot. If you want to receive exclusive promotions and news from our site directly to your inbox, make sure to tick the checkbox located below the CAPTCHA. Next, press the orange Join button at the bottom of the registration pop-up to create your account. You also have the option to register using Facebook by clicking the blue Join with Facebook button or using Google by clicking the Join with Google button. Before you can log into your account, you need to confirm your registration via email. We will send you a validation email to the email address you provided during the registration process. All you need to do is click the Validate Registration link and your account will be instantly activated. Upon activation, you will receive 100 Chipy coins, which you can learn more about in our dedicated coins guide. That's it. With these simple steps, you can log into your account and start using Chipy's member-only features. Don't forget to try your luck in the playground and maybe even win some real money prizes by joining our sweepstakes.